National Council of Science Museums NCSM Recruitment 2023 notification for 24 Office Assistant and Exhibition Assistant posts. National Council of Science Museums NCSM Recruitment 2023-24, Ministry of Culture, Government Jobs in India. Notification for 24 Office Assistant, Technician and Exhibition Assistant Executive posts. All eligible and interested candidates can apply on or before the 27th of March 2022. Further information about the National Council of Science Museums recruitment courses and exams, vacancies, salary details, age limit, salary details, NCSM results and jobs, careers, application fee, museum jobs, NCSM government jobs in India, educational qualifications and all other details. Information about these posts is mentioned in details below.
Name of vacancies and number of posts. The name and number of vacancies per posts are mentioned below. Office Assistant 4, Artist 1, Technician 15, Technical Assistant 2, Exhibition Assistant 1, Education Assistant 1.
Salary, pay and grade pay, for Office Assistant, Artist, Technician posts, the payable salary will be Rs 19,900 to 63,200 and for Technical Assistant, Exhibition Assistant, Education Assistant posts, the payable salary will be Rs 29,200 to 92,300 per month. Further information about salary details is mentioned in the detailed advertisement. Age limit, for NCSM recruitment, candidate age should lie between 18 to 35 years. To know more about age details as post-wise, click on the detailed advertisement. Educational qualifications. The educational qualification details for this post is mentioned below. Office Assistant, 12th pass with typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. Selection method. For recruitment in the National Council of Science Museums, the candidate will be selected on the basis of their performance in the written test and then personal interview. Candidates must be prepared for these tests. Last date for submitting application form. All candidates must apply on or before the 25th of March 2022. After the last date, no application form will be submitted. Important note, application forms received after due date will not be entertained under any circumstances. Incomplete or late applications without enclosures will summarily be rejected without any reasons and correspondence. Therefore, application forms must reach before the last date. Belated, incomplete applications are liable to be rejected.